Hello everyone. Welcome to Tech Trek. Let's get into some key model questions for the Polytechnic Lecturer Exam 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with upcoming videos. A thyristor has how many p-n junctions? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Correct answer is option C, 3. Which of the following is not true about FDMA? A. Users transmit simultaneously. B. Each user gets a unique frequency. C. Guard bands are not needed. D. It's used in analog systems. Correct answer is option C, guard bands are not needed. For a given SNR, doubling the bandwidth will A. Have the capacity. B. Double the capacity. C. Have no effect. D. Reduce noise. Correct answer is option B, double the capacity. Shannon's theorem gives the theoretical limit of A. Error detection. B. Modulation bandwidth. C. Maximum data rate. D. Antenna size. Correct answer is option C. Maximum data rate. What is the maximum memory that 8086 can address? A. 64 kilobytes. B. 128 kilobyte. C. 256 kilobyte. D. 1 megabyte. Correct answer is option D, 1 megabyte. The DIAC is mainly used to A. Amplify signals. B. Trigger SCR. C. Trigger triac. D. Rectify AC. Correct answer is option C, trigger triac. Continuity test in a multimeter is used to check A. Voltage levels. B. Resistance. C. Open or short circuit. D. Frequency. Correct answer is option C, open or short circuit. NVRAM retains data. A. Only while power is on. B. After power is off. C. When reset button is pressed. D. Only during sleep mode. Correct answer is option B, after power is off. Which device is commonly used in the construction of a cycloconverter? A. BJT. B. MOSFET. C. SCR. D. IGBT. Correct answer is option C, SCR. What is the main advantage of single sideband over standard amplitude modulation? A. It increases the carrier power. B. It requires more bandwidth. C. It reduces bandwidth and power consumption. D. It transmits both sidebands. Correct answer is option C. It reduces bandwidth and power consumption. What is the output of a T flip-flop if T equals 0, regardless of the clock pulses? A. Output toggles. B. Output goes to 1. C. Output goes to 0. D. Output remains unchanged. Correct answer is option D, output remains unchanged. What is the primary role of the transistor in a DTL logic gate? A. Voltage regulation. B. Power amplification. C. Signal inversion and amplification. D. Diode protection. Correct answer is option C. Signal inversion and amplification. Which of the following is a major advantage of CCD cameras over CMOS cameras? A. Lower power consumption. B. Faster readout speed. C. Higher sensitivity and image quality. D. Built-in Wi-Fi capability. Correct answer is option C. Higher sensitivity and image quality. Which multiple access technique is used in Bluetooth communication? A. FDMA. B. TDMA. C. CDMA. D. OFDMA. Correct answer is option B. TDMA. Helical antennas are primarily used for which type of polarization? A. Linear polarization. B. Elliptical polarization. C. Circular polarization. D. Horizontal polarization. Correct answer is option C. Circular polarization. In a TWT, what is the purpose of the electron beam? A. To generate heat. B. To produce circular polarization. C. To transfer energy to the RF wave. D. To focus the magnetic field. Correct answer is option C. To transfer energy to the RF wave. Which of the following is not a typical application of an optocoupler? A. Signal isolation. B. Switching power supplies. C. Motor speed control. D. Amplifying analog audio signals. Correct answer is option D. Amplifying analog audio signals. In a Colpitts oscillator, feedback is taken from A. A tap on the inductor. B. A junction of two capacitors. C. A resistor divider. D. The collector of the transistor. Correct answer is option B. A junction of two capacitors. Which sweep circuit provides better linearity in the output waveform? A. Miller sweep. B. Bootstrap sweep. C. Astable multivibrator. D. Monostable multivibrator. Correct answer is option B. Bootstrap sweep. What is the main advantage of a flash ADC over other types of ADCs? A. Low power consumption. B. Small circuit size. C. High resolution. D. Very high conversion speed. Correct answer is option D. Very high conversion speed. What is the key advantage of a digital frequency synthesizer? A. Generates only one fixed frequency. B. Requires no reference clock. C. Allows fine frequency control digitally. D. Uses analog feedback for tuning. Correct answer is option C. Allows fine frequency control digitally. Which of the following ICs is a negative voltage regulator? A. 7805. B. 7812. C. 7905. D. 7809. Correct answer is option C. 7905. What is the main function of the mixer in a superheterodyne receiver? A. Amplify the input signal. B. Convert the RF signal to an intermediate frequency. C. Detect the audio signal. D. Filter out noise. Correct answer is option B. Convert the RF signal to an intermediate frequency. What type of output is generated by a photovoltaic cell? A. Alternating current. B. Pulsed signal. C. Direct current. D. No output without a battery. Correct answer is option C. Direct current. The negative resistance region in a UJT is mainly used for A. Amplifying AC signals. B. Reducing power dissipation. C. Generating pulses in oscillator circuits. D. Switching high voltage loads. Correct answer is option C. Generating pulses in oscillator circuits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights and tutorials.